Hey you! Yes you, the college student who's soon to be looking for a career in the real world that is in your field of interest to pay off your student debt. We are here to break down LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great and free tool. However, it can seem overwhelming if you're unfamiliar. Today, we will be showing you how to create an account, edit and enhance your profile, create connections, and search for jobs using LinkedIn. First, open your web browser of choice. We will be working on Google Chrome today. In the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. If you are a new user, start typing in new information in the boxes in the center of the screen. You will need your first name, last name, email, and a new password. Then click the Join Now button. You will then be asked to verify your account. LinkedIn is a very secure site, so you'll need to verify both your phone number and email. To protect our privacy, we do not show the next sequence, but there will be easy-to-follow prompts to get information on your country, zip code, most recent employment, and college information. You can begin adding connections immediately by adding contacts from your email, which is why it is important to use a professional email address. You can choose to select any contacts you would like to add to your network by checking the box next to their name. For now, we will skip connections. Next, you'll be prompted to add a profile picture. You want to use a professional profile picture. A professional profile picture is just a view, closer up on your face, and with a non-distracting or blank background. This is a bad example of a profile picture. You cannot see the person's face, which makes it hard for the audience to distinguish his or her identity, and there's also a distracting background. This is a great example of a profile picture because it meets all the criteria we talked about before. Now we can begin customizing your profile. You can add information here such as your education, work experience, skills, and your summary. Select I'm in school to build your education. Put all information regarding schools you have attended and degrees earned. This can help you find other connections who have also attended your school. Click Add Work Experience. Go ahead and put all your work experiences here in detail. Think of this as a resume with an unlimited amount of space that encompasses everything you have done. Once you have added your education and work experience, your profile will look somewhat similar to this. You'll be able to add skills and endorsements here. Try to highlight the most relevant skills from work experience that could help you get a job in your field of interest. If you do not have work experience in your field, that is perfectly fine. Just highlight skills that your jobs of interest most commonly list if they apply to you. You can also add a summary. A summary gives the viewer of your page a bit of information about you, such as what type of job or role you are currently seeking. Keep the information here professional, with no irrelevant personal details. Here you can also add your social media if you haven't added them earlier. If you choose to link your social media pages, be careful about what you choose to link. Don't add social media sites unless they are completely professional and relevant in your industry. For example, if you have a picture like this, which shows you partying, you would not want to include this social media in your LinkedIn. Also, if you have a post such as this that talks negatively about your boss, you would also not want to post this link onto your LinkedIn page. These posts can deter potential employers. Once your profile is complete, you can also search for jobs using the Jobs tab, and it will come up with suggested jobs for you based on your profile. Your LinkedIn profile can be of great benefit to you as a college student. You can get emailed job alerts notifying you of recommended jobs, connect with professionals and businesses in your field, conduct research on companies you're interested in, connect with other students who can endorse you, and land jobs in other areas of the country and even the world. Thanks for watching. We hope that our tutorial video is of use to you when creating your LinkedIn profile.